What the hell's that all about?
What's that?
That screen was talking.
Let's do this shit.
Well, that was a nice little pit stop.
It does actually work with my gloves.
Your old Chigster. Mine works perfect with the gloves.
So I've now got a Chigee showing me what I need to know, and my phone gives me directions.
You always take directions from a woman, don't you?
Oh, I love getting the directions.
So if you've had your Christmas present early, i.e. your Chigee,
Good hell.
you're not gonna have any Christmas presents now. And it's only bloody August.
No, the Chigee's getting paid. I'll pay the Chigee off.
So you can get another Christmas present.
Aye. Get a helmet.
I want a new hat as well. As soon as we get past these solid lines, we'll...
Yeah, I don't want to do with the cop car there.
No, not with the cop car, not with the solid line anyway.
I don't know if it's solid or fucking broken up now. Broken up.
It's broken on our side, we can overtake.
I can overtake that. Because it's clear on this side, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's the solid side you can't actually overtake on. Alright? This one, Sean.
I'm just a car behind you. But the electric Merc is right up to the line because there's a banger.
No.
Do you need all the road? Do you need to come right out to the fucking line, you tit?
Well, I mean, I can slow him down.
Aye. He's went right back out to the line. Look at him, he's right on the line. Just an idiot. Love to scratch his car. His PCP car at that. Oh, look at me, I've got an electric car. Roof melt. Yeah, but you're on the PCP, you tit. And you're going to be paying that off forever and ever, and you're never going to own it.
Right, here, Sean.
Do you think that's Jill?
I bet you that's Jill.
What's this fresh air breaker braking for? Breaker. Braking for no reason at all. Just take your foot off the gas, you melt.
You brake here, watch this.
Guaranteed. Yep.
Look.
Just take your foot off the gas and stop being an absolute melt. Remember we had our breakfast in there one morning?
I was empty.
Breakfast. Braking again. Just take your foot off the gas, you complete and utter banger.
Right, here he goes, 20 mile an hour.
I think you'll just need to Jesse him. Nice wee pub. 1851. Hello.
Conservation area, this.
Well, they shouldn't have traffic lights on. Get rid of them. Open my window. This Volvo's starting to become a bit of a pain, eh? I don't understand, why do they sit right up the backside of the car in front and then jam on their brakes? What are they trying to achieve? Besides, cars are far too big now, eh? So the bigger the car, they think they've got bigger bollocks, but they've not.
I don't know if my volume's doing it up. Cardo, volume up. Cardo, volume up.
No, hey Cardo.
Okay, Cardo.
No, hey Cardo.
Oh, hey, Cardo.
Aye.
I thought you said okay, Cardo.
Melt. No, it's
Oh,
hey.
you sound quite loud, so it's alright.
Aye. It's hey Cardo, volume up. That's the command. Oh, I'm in third. What's all the toot in? All the tooties?
I'm in the van.
What the hell's going on? Aye, move over Kia features, you an absolute rocket. That Kia features wasn't wired up right, that was right on the line.
No.
Fucking dick. Melt. I hate this road, you know that? Because it's always so busy.
No.
There's always a melt on it. It's full of melts. It's the melts day out. All the fresh air breakers. Oh, we're going down a hill, let's brake. Brake for absolutely hee-haw. Oh, they melts are turning, but there's a lane for that. And then you start braking when you're in the lane. You go to the Duck Bay Hotel, I'll never ever set foot in that shithole.
So you've been there?
No. It's what they done to that baby, eh?
What was that?
It's what they done to the baby. They wouldn't let the baby, I don't know if it died. But it was in the news a few months ago now, eh? And they wouldn't let the parents heat up the baby's formula or something like that, eh? Because they had to take it with medication. They were really horrible. The baby was disabled, eh?
Fucking assholes.
Oh, look at me, I'm the outdoor type.
Oh, you still for Sunny?
Aye. What Sannies have you got?
No. Fuck yeah, I made them like. Come on now, Sean. Fucking behave.
Ah.
Right, power off.
Yes, power off.
It's got a jump lead, so.
Oh, you've got yours.
You know, get yours?
Of course I have.